Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make rice bar full guide. Start by deciding a theme and guest count, then list grains and toppings. Choose 2 rice types, 3 proteins, and 4 vegetable options to keep variety manageable. Prep sauces in squeeze bottles for fast service and label all dishes for allergies. Arrange stations for smooth flow from rice to toppings and keep utensils labeled and set. Begin by rinsing and measuring rice accurately, then cook in batches to match your guest count and service pace. Use a slightly firmer texture so rice holds up under sauces and toppings. Fluff and cool a portion for cold salads and keep the rest warm for immediate serving. Replenish in rotation to avoid overcooking and check moisture often, adding a splash of water if rice begins to dry out. Create a balanced topping lineup with textures and flavors that complement rice, like crunchy pickles, roasted vegetables, and creamy sauces. Portion ingredients for fast replenishment and use clear labels so guests can make informed choices. Rotate perishable items frequently and keep cold toppings chilled on ice to maintain freshness. Train staff to guide guests through combinations and to assist with allergen questions for a smooth dining experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.